I ran an experiment for the last 3 days. AI generates recipes for me. The results were so cool. The only rules we had were you had to make the recipe as is. All the links for all the interesting things will be in the description, so definitely go check that out. Transition. Hey, okay. So I'm gonna hit here, custom recipe. What's your diet type? Okay, so I'm vegan, so I'm just gonna go with vegan. What mood are you in? Feeling kind of happy, kind of silly, and a heart. Why not? Because I feel like I'm in a loving mood. Okay, 1 to 10, where's your energy at? I think I'm about an 8. What it's going to give us back is a little recipe. Aha! Here we go. This recipe is fun, easy to make, and a little bit silly. It's perfect for when you're in the mood to emoji. That's so cool. Taco Bowder pot. Oh my god, I'm getting tacos. I'm so excited. I guess I gotta go shopping now. Just got back from the shops. I found pretty stoked with what I got. It didn't actually mention anything about taco shells. Yeah, I'm kind of bleak. So I'm gonna have taco shell-less tacos. There's our tofu mix. This is gonna go into the oven for 25 minutes. We got the final meal. So I'm pretty happy with how it looks. It smells amazing, and the baked tofu is super crispy. Day 1 with the AI chef. Bon appetit. There we go. See you tomorrow.
It's time to do the AI meal challenge. Day 1. Let's see what happens. What's my diet type? Vegetarian? What mood am I in? Oh man, that's hard. Let's do some emojis. Tortoise plant mood. That sounds fun. Ice. No I. Block rice. From 1 to 10, where's your energy at? Let's say 7. Okay, some AI is working. You're in a good mood, so you need a recipe that's easy to make and will put a smile on your face. The dish is healthy and delicious and only takes a few minutes to prepare. Okay, so for lunch today I'm having caprese toast. Sounds pretty good. Okay, so I've got my ingredients all ready. 1 whole tomato, seems like a lot. The oven is on the go. Okay, olive oil, tablespoon worth. 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil. Bit of salt and pepper. It says to taste, so I'm gonna add a fair amount. I feel like the recipe could have been 2 slices of bread and a little bit less tomato, but this is kind of funny. You can't quite get a sense for the scale of it. Look at that. Okay, here we go. That looks fucking delicious. Let's get it out. And there we have it. A tomato caprese built by me and AI. How do I eat this thing? You know, I thought there was too much tomato, but the juices kind of leaked into the ciabatta, which has made it really like, juicy. Well, the AI said it would put a smile on my face, and it did. Diet type, typical and vegan. I'm in a bit of a tired G level, maybe about like a 2.5 out of 10. And the weather. Ah. Okay, this is really easy, no fuss recipe that will give you some much needed energy. It's light but filling, can be made in just a few minutes. That's what I need. 5-minute Powerball. I'm gonna go organize the bits and pieces I don't have. I'll show you what I make later. Okay, I just made the very, very easy dish. I'll show you now. So there it is. This was crazy easy. Yeah, just some like white beans. Basically just chopped that and threw in the oven, and the couscous, I went for couscous underneath because that was easy, and then my boyfriend gave me some tahini the other day, so that's my sauce. Not much to it. Moment to truth. This probably took like a total of 10 minutes to prep, and I'm getting a really decent meal. Happy. Crouton looks like croutons to me. Look at that. Crouton and cheese soup. 5 minutes. It's pretty good.
Put in the microwave that anxious to work. 5 out of 10 vegan diet. It's kind of like a treat. So it seems like a nice bean stew. I'm gonna go to the shops to get that stuff. So I've got my onion, peppers, and spices in here, and garlic. I still need to add my beans here in the sink. So it said rice, quinoa, or tortilla chips. I went with tortilla chips. Yeah, pretty tiring day, so I'm looking forward to
very easy meal. I've been at this for like 10 minutes and I just gotta add the stuff and let it cook for more, so solid. And here we go, voila. I also really enjoy that it's built in a fork into the recipe, so bottoms up. Spices and seasoning are very simple, but very nice. Happy with this one. Day 3, kind of sad it's over. Probably still gonna be using this.
Okay, day 3. Let's see what I'm having for lunch. Vegetarian today. What mood am I in? Freaking great one. I feel like I can do anything. I slept really well last night. Where's my energy at? Maybe, actually, comparatively, it's probably a 9. Alright, let's see what we're getting. You're feeling great and you need a recipe to match. This dish is healthy and delicious and will be a fun challenge to make. Okay. Zucchini noodles with avocado pesto. Zucchini. I'm gonna spiralize a zucchini. This sounds fun. Let's do it. I've got my spiralized zucchini. Technically it's more shredded, but I don't have a spiralizer. And then my pesto. Avo, parmesan, 1/4 cup of olive oil, basil, garlic, and it's gonna get blended up. And here is my avo pesto. I must say it's fucking delicious. Time to add it to my zucchini noodles. Delicious zucchini avo pesto. Let's try it out. Oh, it's so good.
Okay, hi, it's me, Editing Jamiro. If you enjoyed that, let us know what you thought in the comments. Whose recipe generator did you like the most? And if you're really interested on doing things like that, please check out the community. Come and join us, have fun. Okay, bye!